Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are safe and sound. Today we are going to do another story, that is Robust and Good Citizens. First of all, let me tell you about Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani. Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani was actually a religious pious leader and saint. Here is a true story related to his life, how he revealed truth before robbers, and he followed the advice of his mother, as she advised him to speak truth in every situation. So let's move to the actual story. Hazrat Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani had to undertake a journey when he was yet a young boy. His pious mother stitched up 40 gold coins in his shirt. The word stitched mean सी देना, यानी आपकी मदर ने 40 गोल्ड कॉइन्स आपकी शर्ट में सी दिए. She advised her son to speak the truth always. He joined a caravan and set off on his journey. Here the word set off means सफ़र पर रवाना होना and कारवां means काफिला. उन्होंने काफिले को ज्वाइन कर लिया and set off on his journey और अपने सफ़र पर रवाना हुए. When the caravan entered a forest, a gang of robbers fell on the travelers and deprived them all of their valuables. The word deprived of means to take away. महरूम कर दिया उनको तमाम कीमती चीज़ों से. While they were busy robbing everyone, a robber happened to pass by the young boy. He said, "Boy, do you have anything on you?" "Yes," came the prompt reply. The word prompt means confident. It means he confidently replied, "I have 40 gold coins." The robbers asked young boy to show the money, which he readily did. The robbers took the boy to the leader of the gang. Like all other robbers, the leader was also surprised. He said, "Why did you not deny having money?" The word deny means इनकार करना. Means उसने कहा, आपने अपने पास रकम होने से इनकार क्यों नहीं किया. हज़रत शेख अब्दुल कादिर जिलानी रहमतुल्लाह अलैह told the robbers chief that his mother has advised him to speak the truth always. This had a deep effect on chief. He said, "Alas, I do not obey the commands of Allah, while this little boy so faithfully follow the advice of his mother." सरदार ने कहा, अफसोस मैं अल्लाह के अहकामात की पैरवी नहीं करता, जबकि ये छोटा बच्चा अपनी माँ की नसीहत की पैरवी करता है. Remorse became a guideline to show him the right path. ये वाक़या उसको सीधा रास्ता दिखाने का बाइस बना. He made up his mind to give up his bad ways of earning livelihood. उसने ये तहिया कर लिया कि वो गलत अर्निंग का मीन हियर द वर्ड अर्निंग मीन्स कमाना, रोज़ी कमाने के गलत ज़राए को छोड़ देगा. He disbanded the gang and advised all the members to live in an honest life. Thus the example set by Hazrat Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani rahmatullah alayh reformed all the robbers. The word reformed means islah karna. He grew up to be a great religious leader and pious saint. He held in great esteem by millions of his followers and devotees. He is popularly known as Gausul Azim Jilani. He is a moral lesson related to this story. Truth is always rewarded. And you can also write number 2, moral, always speak the truth. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.